If your Tesla Model X is struggling to keep a stable CarPlay connection, we will walk you through the most effective fixes. Most connection issues are resolved through simple software resets rather than hardware repairs. Let us break down the troubleshooting steps for your infotainment system. A hard reboot of the MCU is the first step to clearing out temporary software glitches. Physical cable damage is a silent killer of stable data connections. Sometimes the handshake between your iPhone and the car just needs a fresh start. Know the difference between a software annoyance and a physical port failure. Most solutions cost nothing, but hardware repairs can get expensive quickly. If the problem persists, use the Tesla app to let professionals check your internal wiring. Keep these items handy to ensure your port remains clean and operational. Remember, simple maintenance often prevents the most frustrating tech headaches. Thanks for watching and stay connected on your next drive.